Hi, this is the first instructional video for Inject 1.0 for the CATEX 2017 exercise. So once you get this email, you can print it. You want to make sure you keep all of these. You'll have two buttons down here. One is to play and one is to provide feedback. So there's a lot of information here, but if you focus right here on this is what we would like you to do. Use the daily disaster dashboard to monitor weather in the central Midwest. This is what we use to get a number of states and private sector companies working together. So when you click on this button, you immediately go to the Inject web page. Now on the right side of this screen, you'll see lots of information, probably more than you care to know, but it's really designed for basic education for the brand new beginner. Right here you'll find the scenario update, and right below that you'll find the player action we want you to do. So this web page is to give you a deeper dive into the information regarding the Inject that we can't do in an email. So when you're ready to go, just press the Action Now button. You'll be taken to the SICE portal. The SICE is the Sensitive Information Sharing Environment developed by the private sector members of the Multi-State Fleet Response Work Group. So the app we want you to focus on is right here. So we're asking you to close. Each app has a little X in the upper right corner. So we want you just to understand the navigation of the dashboard. You can delete some or all of them, and all of the injects require you to test this. But if you screw up and you delete the wrong one, let's say you deleted the wrong, one, all you got to do is hit the regenerate button right up here, and it'll reform it. So we're going to hit this one right here. When you click on the disaster dashboard, you're going to come to an app developed by NOAA. It's a $5 million tool developed by Storm Center Communications and allows us to get a one-stop shopping common operating picture for weather. So we want you to come over here on the left, turn all these data layers off. These are live data feeds. And we want you to zoom into the central US and turn on the weather radar system. So this now populates a live data feed. It'll be different from the scenario, so don't expect the weather data here in real time to match up with the scenario data. But we want you to get used to how we use this. You can double click and move in on a specific area around the central US, and you can see here right now, as of the recording of this video, we got some storm fronts moving through southern Maryland and Virginia. So this completes the first action step. So when you're done with this, we want you to come back to your email, which is right here, and we want you to hit player feedback. So when you click on the player feedback button, you're going to come to a web page that says exercise evaluation, and we want you to read the question and pick whatever answers meets your needs. So there's one, there's two questions, there's three, and you're done. So that completes Inject 1.1.